Hello friends, this video I will be showing you how to make a simple Java program using BlueJ. It's a kind of software available on internet which is used to create Java programs. So you can download it. The link is given in the description. Check out. This is the icon of that program. So I will click here. Yes. Then this is the page. I will click on new project and then give it any name and save it to a location. So I will give it Ash. Okay. Now a new project will be created from our name. Then I will create a new class. Okay. I will give it name Ash G. Sorry, I will rename it. We will create a hello world, or you can say any kind of program which is basically easily to remember and convert. So this is the basics of Java. So I will create hello world program. Okay, then I will hit enter and then I will right click and click on open editor, and I will select this whole by pressing Ctrl A and then delete it. Okay, and now this is the field where we have to do all our work related to programming. So let's start. So by starting, first we have to type class, then hello world, any name you can give. Remember that class is a um, class cannot be changed, it cannot be converted to any name. uh, we can change this name which I write in front of class. So I can type it hello world, then curly braces, then void main, then again curly braces, and then I will type in here system dot out dot print hello world first computer program. Always remember that you have to type this in two strings. Okay, then I will close the brace and then press semicolon to terminate. Then we will again press 2. Then we will again type two curly braces. So this is our program ready. Okay, I will click on compile and you can see there it's written class compiled, no syntax error. That means there is no error in our program. So I will go to the main screen and then right click and click on hello world. Then I will this new box will be appear, then right click it and click void main. So this is the output that we have typed. Okay, I will tell you that this system.out.print is used to give output on the screen. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you have any problem in this, you can comment me on my on this video, and please subscribe my channel because it takes no rupees to subscribe the channel. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.